Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob.
Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and today we'll be doing a cleanup of a Coes wrench. I found it in I think it was in an auction lot, and this thing was destroyed. So I wanted to practice and hone my skills on potentially getting it back into service. So sit back, relax, and let's see if I can't fix that Coes. It's all together. We've got our Coes wrench. So let's dig this off. What easier said than done. This thing did not want to give up the ghost. Okay. Let's take our Dremel and cut this thing off. Okay, at this point, I can honestly say I have no idea what or how to disassemble this. I'm just assuming. I've got kind of like little pin here and there. So I'm going to see if I can't punch it out. Give it a little bit more juice. Okay. I think we're just going to go to the wire wheel and forgo removing these parts, because I am 100% sure I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, we can take the chance and cut this with the Dremel. You can always weld it back together. Here's some recycled used. So we're gonna let that soak for a while and we'll return. Here we are. This Coes has gone under some serious rust removal. Unfortunately, with all my endeavors, I could not get this handle apart, so we're just gonna have to live with it for now. And I'm gonna come up with a piece of wood to put in here. So I'm gonna do a final cleaning, and then we can get to. Yeah, I totally would have wanted to get this off, but it was not gonna go. I even had the torch on it. So, yeah. I mean, you can see where they really shoved it on. You can see that burr in there. So, if that shows you how tight they had it. Well, the Coes didn't stay put, but we know what it is. Okay, we are starting off on this one. I already started on the back side. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera rolling. Got the camera going now, so. So that's the rough. So here is our finished Coes wrench. Got a little 43 right there. Can't tell. Can you see it? Was unable to save the Coes right there because of the pitting, but we did get made in USA under patent steel. So pretty much the Coes patent. Here is our wood handle. I mean, it's the 4-foot rule, 5-foot rule. Looks good from across the room. For a wrench that didn't work too well, I got it looking nice. So you need to. It's gonna get some wax after this, and go in with the rest of the tools. And then this is the Hibbard that I recently did. So yeah, so here are my 2 monkey wrenches. Well, everybody, we got the Coes wrench finished. Hopefully you've enjoyed how I kind of cleaned it up. Yeah, so this is gun stock stain. I did a brass pin through it. I used JB Weld to hold it on. Unfortunately, we're unable to keep the Coes. If anybody knows what that 43 is, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but yeah, so I think I did pretty good for, I mean, getting tools that aren't worth much and bringing them back to life. I'm happy. I'm tickled. So, till next time, stay safe, and we will check you later. Check you later.